So I kind of wanted to showcase how to put pads in the caliper. You know, I don't have any place documented on how to do it, so we're going to show you how to do it. So you're going to lengthen these so that the boots are as long as they can, and you're going to do the outermost one first. These springs on the pads will be sitting here and here. So you put them in, and you just use pressure to kind of get them in there. Okay, you're gonna do the same thing with the one closest. You kind of want to straighten that out. Since the pad has to face the pad, get it in here, make sure it doesn't fit in the hole, and if it does, so we gotta bend it a little bit there to fit it in the hole. You see, getting closer. But right here, this has to sit in here, same on this side. So to do that, we have to put pressure. So there the pad is sitting in it. We can go one more step. Now this one is in. Now I gotta make this one go in. Bring it this way a little bit. So just for reference, this is sitting underneath it, that's sitting underneath it. Now on this side, I have to get this below this claw. See this little angle here, same thing's here, right here. And the spring tension will hold it in place. So I'm just gonna push here, go underneath. So now I wanna pull this direction. Pry the pad over a little bit. Keep on coming this direction. So as you see, the pad hitting the piston and the seal here. It's also riding in the angles. Same thing over here and over here. And now I have the entire gap for the rotor. That's it for today. See you next time.